Good morning guys, and it's day 4 in our India Offbeat journey, and we are heading towards Chembra Peak in Wayanad, and it will be a trek of 2-3 kilometers uphill. So yeah, let's see what we explore today. And yeah, this is our last day, and after the trek and visiting one more spot in Wayanad, we'll be heading back to Bangalore. Okay guys, so the Chembra Peak is closed because of heavy rainfalls. We went there and called the guys because most of the people we asked about the Chembra Peak said that it's closed, but we confirmed with the forest department if it's open or closed. And yeah, so now we are heading towards Banasura Dam. I've been there, but we'll be exploring that as well for today. And let's see if we can go to the waterfall nearby, which is about 3 kilometers from Banasura Dam. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay guys, so we are now at the Banasura Dam. As you can see, that's the dam ahead of us. And like whatever I recorded in the last video, it's all messed up, like the audio has gone because of the wind. As you can see, I'm using my DSLR today to record the vlogs because my GoPro has gone dead and I don't know how to switch it on, and it's not working. I tried replacing the batteries and memory cards, but it's still down. So yeah, now the wind is not here, so I can talk to you guys. So we are at the Banasura Dam, which is about 25 kilometers from Kolkata, and we came in the morning down here. Before coming here, we went to the Chembra Peak, which was closed, and as you can see, it's a beautiful view around. That's the dam behind me, and there's the mountains and all. So also there is a garden if you want to come here, and there's horse riding and boating as well, but I don't think the boating is open today because it's Monday and there is not much crowd. Last time we came here, it was totally crowded with more people, although it was off season or maybe a weekend, so for the localites to come here. So yeah, let's see where we go after this, or maybe this might be our last activity of the day, or the last spot we'll be visiting today, because we have to reach Bangalore before it gets dark, and it's a from here it's about 300 kilometers and a 6 to 7 hours journey. That's good. Okay guys, so we are now heading back from Banasura Dam, and there is a waterfall about 3 kilometers from here, so we'll see if we can explore that. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so we are now at the Meenmutty Waterfall. We took our tickets, which was about 30 rupees per person and 75 for the camera. So from the ticket counter, it's just 400 meters. There are two paths, the one is the easy one and the other is the tough one. We have taken the tough one and we are climbing up. So let's see what happens next. So far so good, and this is our last activity of the day, and let's see. I know it might be shaky because it's been long I recorded anything on my DSLR. It's the last day and the GoPro has gone bad. I don't know what to do with it. So after reaching Bangalore, it will be my first thing to do. I think the easiest one was the better path, but this is totally like most of our tracks in India. It's disorganized with different pieces of rocks, but you can track up. So yeah, we're going up, up, up. As you can see, there are bamboo trees all around this place, which looks really beautiful. And there are houses built inside this forest. Not a forest, I think it's like not a forest. It's, I think it's properly colonized. I think this was a cafe, but because of Monday it's closed. Okay, so finally some better path. This is the Meenmutty viewpoint. I think you can listen to the water falling. That's the jungle around. Beautiful green Kerala. Okay guys, so the sound is like increasing now as we reach towards the waterfall, and we have to go down this path. Let's go. Watch your way. It was sunny and started raining again. Almost there. Ooh, it's all white out there. As you can see, the white water flowing down. Wow. Okay. Can you see that, guys? The waterfall. That's the Meenmutty Waterfalls. It's flowing so fast. I don't think you will be hearing anything. That's why I'm shouting out here, because as you can see, the water is like very hitting at us. Whoa. So hard that I'm all wet by the side, and that's the way the water is flowing down the left. Woohoo! I don't know how far this goes, and like what this speed, but it's like really beautiful out here. Okay guys, so if you can hear me here, like this will be our last activity at Wayanad, and we are heading back to Bengaluru after this. It's a 60-hour ride, so yeah, see you after reaching there. Bye-bye. Be careful if you come here, but the view is really beautiful. I thought it will be a small waterfall like the Sola waterfalls, but it's like huge, and the water flow is like very fast. So it was about 3 kilometers from the Banasura Dam, and if you come to Banasura Dam, definitely visit here. The end of India Offbeat journey with Holiday IQ and Ola cabs. Thanks those guys like for the preparation and the cab they gave me to like explore the beauty of Tamil Nadu and Kerala, where we went to Ooty and then Wayanad for 4 days, and like they organized everything from hotels, food and stuff, and yeah, it was a beautiful journey. So yeah, this is our 7th video of this series, and like this ends here, and I had to like stop the Gokarna journey videos, like my visit to Gokarna. I submitted my first video before the India Offbeat journey, and like you should definitely check that out. And from next week, like my regular schedule on Sunday 9:30 am Gokarna series starts again. So yeah, hope you liked the video on our last day at Wayanad and the India Offbeat journey. So if you like the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And yeah, see you again next week. Bye bye.